Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to track inventory in Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on the Products section, where all your items are listed. Next, select a product you want to manage. Inside the product settings, you'll see an option for inventory or quantity tracking, depending on your plan and theme features. Turn on the inventory tracking option, then enter the number of items you currently have in stock. This helps Big Cartel automatically update availability when customers place orders. If a product runs out of stock, you can choose to either hide it from your store or allow back orders, depending on your preference. Make sure to update your inventory regularly whenever you restock or sell items to keep your numbers accurate. Once you're done, save your changes and repeat the process for other products. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track inventory in Big Cartel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.